Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Ferrari SF90 vs Audi full comparison. Now follow a clear roadmap. We start with engine and hybrid systems, then test acceleration, braking, and cornering, move into cabin comfort and tech features, review fuel economy and charging realities, and finish with real ownership costs and driving impressions to help you choose which car fits your lifestyle and priorities comfortably and confidently. Let's dig into performance with a relaxed but focused vibe. We'll cover throttle response, torque curves, and how models behave during spirited driving and commuting. I explain differences in hybrid systems versus conventional setups, compare braking feel and thermal management, and describe how each car balances raw speed with driver confidence. By the end, you'll have clear expectations for acceleration, cornering, and daily driving manners without technical overload. If you're enjoying the comparison, please subscribe and like to support future videos and more deep dives. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long drives, commutes, and track sessions, and it fits most cup holders for convenience. I find it handy when testing cars and staying focused behind the wheel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we look inside and keep the tone friendly and practical. I describe seating comfort, controls layout, and how materials influence perceived quality. We compare infotainment responsiveness, smartphone integration, and driver aids that matter most for daily life. I'll also highlight storage space and passenger comfort differences to help you visualize ownership. This section is aimed at matching interior features to your real routines and tech expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.